On Thursday, July 17th, 2024, Kimberly Guilfoyle gave a speech at the RNC held in Milwaukee, Wisconsin, Day 3, and Michelle Obama on August 20th, 2024, in Chicago, Illinois, gave a speech at the DNC Day 2. I found both of their speeches were similar in a way. Both women spoke with clear views for their political party and spoke on the core values of their campaign. By using intense language and a dramatic delivery, they invoke fear to the party but also focused on hope and empathy to help emotionally connect with the audience. Both women use facts and logic they have found throughout the past few years of both presidential elections and use their examples and clear arguments that help give the proper story of how to fix our nation, and spoken in a tone of hopefulness and urgency and a calm anger. The women use their own personal backgrounds to help build credibility. For example, using their own personal or family experiences. Guilfoyle spoke about being a working mother and the promise of this country and believing in America. Obama spoke about her children and the life she has worked and dreamed for her children, believing in the promise of this country. Both women showed they understand America's problems and can speak from their own experiences. Both spoke in a tone and delivery that were different but similar in how they built emotion and portrayed their party as the hope for the nation and their families. At the end of their speeches, they both made a direct, attention-grabbing statement to the voters in the audience, that this is directing the audience to vote and spread awareness of the urgency of this election, that it is a moral decision that holds power to make America a better nation again. I believe Guilfoyle's speech was the best due to the tone and delivery with which she gave her speech. She made sure to give it loudly and create energy to grab attention to the audience, but spoke with emotion and hopefulness. She showed the urgency in the matter and created that in a way of an excitement and hope for the election. But in all, I believe that both women spoke very similar on similar matters on both sides of the party, showing the importance that America is to come first in this nation to be created better again and equal. But both women had very similar speech and tone and emotional appeals, credibility, and as well a good call to action that puts the audience in the same position to vote and spread awareness for this election.